Again to Androidiya. In today's video, we will talk about how to send best quality contents like photos, videos, or sometimes sounds, without decreasing the quality. With original quality and a good size. So if you want to send a photo or a video, you automatically just click on this icon and go to your gallery and send any photo. For example, this photo. uh, this will decrease the quality of your photo. It is a food photo, don't care about it, but if you want to send a picture of yourself or of your something, sometimes a document, so you should to send with another way. You should to use this trick, this way to send good quality picture or video. Click on this icon again, documents, browse other documents. So here you can send any document you'd like to, images that it is already in your phone, images or videos or audio. I'd like to send image. This is all the folders that I have on my phone, and for example, I want to send a photo from my screenshot folder. I'd like to choose this, send. Now it has been sent as a document, and it is original size is 228 kilobyte. The same process you can do it with documents. If you want to send video, documents, screenshot, I'd like to send videos, and choose any video you'd like to share. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.